All right, 1 cup of borax going in. All right, now we have washing soda, 1 cup going in. 1 cup of sea salt going in. All the way. Zippity doo dah. Sea salt's in. Give that a stir. It's 1 cup of lemon juice going in. Whoa, foamy goodness. It's like a science experiment. It smells nice. It's fresh. A tablespoon per silicone ice cube mold-ish. Meet you back. So we ended up just dumping it on and scraping it like this. It's a lot less time consuming. That's good. Okay, so these were popped out 24 hours after we made them. I can use 2 small ones in my trap or 1 big one, and we threw one through the dish load and it worked great. I have heard that they can void your warranty on your dishwasher, something to look into if you care to. Anyways, pretty cool. So yeah.